Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Look, if you're an early stage e-commerce store owner, I actually need you to just drop whatever else you're doing right now and pay very close attention. Seriously. Today, we're breaking down the exact proven blueprint for getting your store completely off the ground and scaling it up. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so let's just dive right in. $10,000. If your Shopify store is currently pulling in anything less than 10 grand a month, I really need you to stop and focus on what we're about to talk about, because the data we are looking at today reveals the exact reason why most e-commerce stores at this specific stage just stay stuck. They actually call it the silent money bleed. Most store owners are literally losing money and they don't even realize it's happening. And you know what's really wild? It's what is not causing the bleed. It's not your ads. It's not your product. I know. Our very first instinct is always to just blame the Facebook algorithm, right? Or we just assume, well, absolutely nobody wants what I'm selling. But actually, scratch that. That is rarely the reality. So why is your store stuck under that 10K mark? Well, the creator of this framework has worked with over 50 different e-commerce brands. We're talking everyone from absolute beginners making $0 a month all the way up to seven-figure stores. And they found a totally fascinating pattern. Almost every single failing store makes the exact same three mistakes. By the end of this explainer, you're going to have a complete structured roadmap to fix all three of that. All right, let's get right into it. Mistake number one, selling to the void. You know how this happens. New store owners pick a product, slap it up onto Shopify, and they try to sell it to, well, literally everyone. But here's the thing. When you try to appeal to everyone, your offer doesn't speak to anyone in particular. You're basically just shouting into the void. And the brutal truth is, if you take this mass appeal approach, your targeting is always going to be off, your ads will constantly bleed money, and your conversion rate, it's going to stubbornly sit below 2%. The fix for this? You got to start selling to one. Highly targeted, solving a single, specific problem for one specific person. It's about actually building a real connection. So how do you actually do that? You do it by creating what's called a customer avatar card. Honestly, open up a document right now and answer this one question. Who is the one single person most likely to buy my product today, and what is the biggest problem it solves for them? You need to actually name them, give them an age, a job, a specific fear they have, and a burning desire. Because empathy, that is absolutely your best marketing tool. Once you have this profile card built out, every single piece of copy you write, your product descriptions, your ads, your emails, it all gets written directly to that one specific person. Think of it like you're writing a letter to a friend. Moving right along, we hit mistake number two, the product page problem. Look, you can have fantastic ads and a truly amazing product, but if your product page looks like it was built back in 2009, yeah, that is going to instantly kill your sales. No joke. The data actually mentions auditing a store that was doing just 3 grand a month. Their ads were totally fine, the product was genuinely great, but their outdated page design completely destroyed any buyer trust. So what actually works today? Here are the 5 mandatory elements you need for a high-converting product page in 2025. First up, a benefit-driven headline. Don't just list the name of the product, tell them exactly what it's going to do for them. Second, a short video or a GIF showing the product actually being used. We are highly visual buyers. Third is social proof above the fold, meaning before they even scroll down, they need to see at least 3 reviews with photos from real people. Fourth, a clear, very specific guarantee to just totally remove their risk. And fifth, a single call to action button. Please, not 5 different buttons distracting them with social media links or related products, just one clear, obvious path to purchase. I highly recommend you take these 5 elements and just audit your own page against them today. All right, this brings us to the third and, frankly, the biggest mistake, the one sale wonder. This mistake happens when you have absolutely no back end to your business whatsoever. Most stores spend all of their hard-earned money just acquiring a customer, and then they do absolutely nothing with them after that first sale. 5 times. That is the brutal mathematical reality of e-commerce right there. It costs 5 times more to acquire a brand new customer than it does to just sell to an existing one. If you are only ever chasing new customers and totally ignoring the people who have already trusted you with their credit card, you are leaving massive amounts of money on the table. Plus, it's just incredibly exhausting trying to build a business solely on first-time buyers. So to fix that back end, you need these 3 core email flows. First, the welcome series. This is just 3 emails sent over 5 days to build trust, tell your brand's unique story, and make a soft offer to your new subscribers. Second, the abandoned cart flow. 3 emails sent within 24 hours of someone leaving items in their cart. You use a little urgency, some social proof, and maybe a small, tasteful incentive to get them back. Because, life happens. Sometimes people just get distracted and need a gentle reminder. And finally, the post-purchase upsell. Sent within just 2 hours of a purchase, simply saying, hey, customers who bought X also love Y. Setting up just these 3 flows can literally add 20 to 35% to your monthly revenue, and that's without you spending a single extra dollar on ads. It's a total game changer. Okay, so we've diagnosed the 3 fatal mistakes. Now let's pivot to the actual solution, the 3-part growth engine. Here is your actionable, rapid-fire, 3-step checklist to implement this engine today. You can run this on platforms like Klaviyo or OmniSend, super easy. Step 1, nail the offer. That means 1 product, 1 audience, and 1 promise. Please do not try to be Amazon. Keep it super focused. Step 2, convert the traffic. Fix your product page using those 5 elements we just talked about and test 1 element at a time. Start by testing the headline, then the image, and then your CTA. Step 3, monetize the list. Get those 3 core email flows set up and then supplement them by sending out a broadcast email every Tuesday and Thursday. And that's it. It's really not complicated, but most store owners never actually execute all 3 steps together, which is exactly why they stay stuck. Consistency across these 3 areas is absolutely your superpower. By the way, for those of you who want to put this into practice immediately, the creator of this framework actually offers a free product page checklist right in their description. Plus, they offer a chance to book one of 5 weekly, completely free 20-minute strategy store audits, where they'll tell you exactly what is holding your specific store back. Which brings us to our final thought for today. Are you actually building a real business, or are you just buying really expensive clicks? Because if you're missing a targeted avatar, a high-converting page, and a solid backend, you are literally just renting traffic. So audit your store today and start building an actual engine. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.